Hello friends! This video is about special relativity. We will try to understand Einstein's thought experiment about the relativity of simultaneity. This is an experiment that shows one of the aspects of the relativity of time. Okay, let's start. Imagine we have a train and two observers. One observer is on the train and the other is on the ground, and the train is moving. Suppose two lightning bolts strike the front and back of the train at the same time as seen by the observer on the ground. It is obvious that for the observer on the ground to know that the two strikes happened at the same time, light should be reflected and travel to the eyes of this ground observer from the two ends at the same time. Now the ground observer says the two strikes happened at the same time. How about the one in the middle of the train? He is moving towards the flash coming from the front and away from the flash coming from the back. So the two flashes must reach his eyes at different moments. No, there is a huge problem. This way we are supposing that the speed of light coming from the front is different from the speed of light coming from the back, which is a huge problem. In relativity, and for reasons we will treat later, light always moves with the same speed no matter how fast you are, and it does not matter whether you move towards it or away from it. Einstein made a crazy move to solve this problem. He supposed that the two lightning bolts that strike the ends of the train at the same time for the ground observer did not strike at the same time for the observer moving with the train. He introduced the idea of relativity of simultaneity. So the two flashes do not reach the observer in the middle of the train at the same time, not because the light coming from the two ends has different relative speeds, but because the two strikes did not actually happen at the same time for him. Now please support us and subscribe to the channel so we will make more videos.